NY Nights, Grade 2. NY Nights is a kind of soul ballad. It's in 12/8, so it's got a really kind of lolloping feel. It's a bluesy kind of soulful ballad. It's just rolling along nicely. There are a couple of key features here. One is the use of cross stick and open snare drum tone. So if you're going to use an electric kit for this, you've got to make sure that the kit has the capability to do both. Another big feature of this is making the groove sit. Okay, when you're playing a 12/8 groove, you don't want to just hack away at the hi-hats and keep them all consistent. You want to have some shape in there. Dun, 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 gat, dun, 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 gat. That really makes the song happen and gives the song its flavour.